Make a speech. Example: Caroline made a great speech during the graduation ceremony. Make a statement. Example: The journalist made a statement that left everyone surprised. Make a suggestion. Example: Can you make a suggestion for a good vegetarian dish? Make advances. Example: The company decided to make advances in technology to stay competitive. Make alterations. Example: We have to make alterations to the schedule to accommodate the new meeting time. Make an appointment. Example: Can you make an appointment with the dentist for me? Make an announcement. Example: The principal made an announcement about the school assembly tomorrow. Make an attempt. Example: Before giving up, she wanted to make an attempt to solve the puzzle. Make an effort. Example: Let's make an effort to go for a short walk every day to stay active. Make an error. Example: I made an error in my calculations. Make an exception. Example: I usually don't allow late submissions, but I'll make an exception this time. Make an excuse. Example: Janny had to make an excuse for being late to the event, explaining traffic was heavier than expected. Make an impression. Example: Dressing neatly and speaking confidently will help you make a good impression in the job interview. Make an observation. Example: In the garden, make an observation about the different types of flowers. Make an offer. Example: Feel free to make an offer if you like the house. Make clear. Example: Can you make clear the instructions for the project? Make dinner. Example: My mother makes dinner every Sunday. Make love. Example: After a romantic dinner, they made love for the first time. Make war. Example: Leaders should seek peaceful solutions rather than choosing to make war. Make peace. Example: The nations met to make peace and end the conflict. Make possible. Example: Hard work and dedication make possible success in any endeavor. Make progress. Example: Reading a few pages every day will help you make progress in learning. Make room. Example. Make room for the guests at the table, please. Make sales. Example. Our goal is to make sales and grow our business. Make sense. Example. What you say doesn't make any sense. Make someone smile. Example. Jack always makes me smile with his jokes. Make sure. Example. Make sure to lock the door before you leave. Make your bed. Example. Don't forget to make your bed today. Make your mind up. Example. What are you going to wear to the party? I don't know, I can't make my mind up. Make your way. Example. Don't care about what they say, just make your way.